Hey guys, so today, if you all notice, have a new background. I'm not at home. I'm actually at my sister's place and I'm at my niece's room. So today I'm going to be doing an inspired Princess Jasmine from Aladdin hairstyle. Now this type of hairstyle is more of like one of those wearable hairstyles, not like the cosplay type. Now with this type of hairstyle, you can actually wear this to school or even to work because it is so simple and it's very easy to do. So if you guys are interested, then let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. Alright, so now that you've parted the hair, just like that. Oh my gosh, the neighbors can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist the hair and gather more hair as I go. Especially here at the side. It's going to look something like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and secure it for a while. Do the exact same thing here. Okay, so when I reach here, I'm going to stop and then combine both of the hair. The back, just like that. Now you can use a hair tie or you can actually use this clip instead. And also I'm gonna go ahead and pull the hair onto the sides right here. See, so at least you'll have a little bit of volume here at the front, so it doesn't look like it's stuck on my head. And by the way, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm actually using a viewfinder, so that's fun. Okay, alright, so now once you get to this point and your hair looks like this, okay, so in here I'm gonna go ahead and secure all of the hair once again with a hair tie. So at this point, you could either get rid of this, of the hair clip, but for me, I'm just gonna let that stay for a while. Okay, so now we're going to be creating the bubble braid. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a hair tie. You can actually use elastic bands for this, but I'm gonna use hair ties as of the moment. Right there. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to pull the sides of the ponytail to create that bubble braid. So that is our first bubble. And then I'm going to make another one. You can adjust the bubbles accordingly on how big you want it to be. And I think I can make the fourth bubble. There we go. Now this doesn't have to look perfect, by the way. Now once you're done, it's going to look something like this. So the bubble braids kind of look far apart just because I've used not the elastic bands and I've actually used the hair ties, so they're a bit far apart. But however, if you want them to be closer, elastic bands would be great to use, but I don't have them right now, so this is what I use on my hair. Plus this is actually way secure to use on my hair because usually elastic bands break on my hair sometimes. So alright, it's not my best work. I actually like that this type of hairstyle gets the hair out of my face and I look decent. I really have to get back into making hair tutorials again because I find them very fun, and I know that some of you have been requesting me on like what types of hairstyles you can do with your long hair. It's because sometimes if you have long hair, it can be tiresome to do hairstyles and sometimes you just don't know what to do with your hair. So these are just long hairstyle ideas that you guys can try out. So if you all want more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!